In this presentation, I will be going over a method that is used to earn $100 a day. By the end of this, you will learn the details of what to do. That's right, you'll be able to earn $100 a day and make money online for free with no website. Let's begin. You will not need a website or emails. This method is free to do. Now, disclaimer, the income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. Timing with trends is important right now. The online business niche is in demand. With everybody being laid off or not being able to work due to the COVID-19 virus, I probably shouldn't say that because I might get my videos banned, but in this video, I'm just going to say it as a phrase, not really talk much about it. But because of that, this is now a requirement. Most people have discovered that an online business is essential for survival in times of crashes like it has been with the economy. So here's what you do. And I'm not going to go into all the details, but I'm just going to give you an overview of what to do. Go to an online software site for an online business of choice. You could use Kajabi, Kartra, or Builderall. These three are all-on-one platforms for businesses. And I suggest, my recommendation is Kajabi. But I want you to make the choice for yourself what you think is best for your business. Once you go to this site, you then want to become an affiliate. You sign up for their affiliate plan. There are requirements, and you do have to meet those requirements before you can even become an affiliate. You will then earn recurring commissions once you have people signing up under your link, if they choose to follow underneath your example, your recommendation. Now at this current time, I am not an affiliate for none of those three I just mentioned, just giving you the information. Basically, they use the program for their business monthly, which generates you money each month for as long as they stay as a member. The next step is to create a PayPal account to get paid commissions. This is how you actually get paid. Then, my suggestion, and what I do, is to use YouTube. It works best for traffic. You don't need to show your face. I have a video that teaches you how to do that. What I do personally is slides with text. It works great. Example is what you're watching now. Of course, my voice isn't the greatest right now, and I do apologize for that. This is not my first video today that I've recorded. Pics are more engaging. Our mind remembers more details when pics are used. You'll notice in my presentations I do very little pics. There's a couple of reasons for that, but the main one is due to me just making sure I get the content, the information out to you. Pro tip, become an affiliate to more than one program, then make a video comparing the two. Either way, you get paid no matter which one someone decided to try. Example would be make a video on Kajabi versus Kartra, and then be an affiliate for either one. You make money if anyone buys off of it. Now, I need you to understand that YouTube is a search engine. You want to make titles with search queries to get the views. There's two main ones for starters. Now these are proven to get results. Make money online, type that in the search bar and you'll see some results. Affiliate marketing. Both of those keywords are high demand right now. Now remember, this method works without a website or sending emails. Recap. Become an affiliate for a program to get paid. Sign up for PayPal to get paid through it. Create a video on YouTube comparing the two programs as previously given. Whatever versus whatever. Generate the $100 a day commissions when they buy. Yes, that's right. Kajabi, Kartra, $100 each sign up. Simple math. 2 sales at $50, $100. Or 1 at 100 equals 100. Each sale is money, but of course the results vary. This method is for those who just want money. and don't care about an online business, I do not recommend this. I teach a more profitable method on my channel. Please search the other videos on my channel to get more information. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.